It's me again, Patrick here. Still playing with Mr. Tippy. Had some problems yesterday, wondering where to put things in Ladybug, because the tutorial itself, I don't know what version it's written in, and there's things in Ladybug that are different, that are just different from what we got going here. So, my problem started when I had to figure out if I was putting. Is that a class? Put this block and everything below it above or below this block, because this block in particular is featured in 2024 versions. My last version showed it. This version, Ladybug, shows it. Koala, that was the last one. And but the tutorial that I'm following does not have it. So I spent part of the day putting this other bit of code in, and then cutting that and putting it down here, and then figuring out where to put it. Tab twice. Did I put it here? Joink. And then I'd run it just to see if I broke it irreparably, irrevocably, esoterically. But no. So this block here versus all this stuff that I've been typing in under set. Get out of here. Get out. Get out. Under set content view. The only reason to keep it up on top is because apparently this is what puts your system bars in place. I think these are called system bars. Oh, do I have a splash screen? Oh. A resource failed to call close. I wonder what all that means. So this is my day yesterday, cutting and moving this chunk of this snippet. Copy paste. Did I break everything? It's this last brace curly bracket that does it belong to this curly bracket? I don't know. Different behavior when I mouse over it. Insets. Yeah, look at that. I guess it is. So that might mean that if I mouse over this one, let me get rid of this. Mouse over this one. Did I break it? Oh, look at that line that showed up. And so this is my on create. Everything inside here is on create. Is that what I'm gathering by osmosis? What I do like to see is this logcat. Do not concatenate. We haven't gotten to the concatenation yet. That's another one coming up. Pointer. Change and moving. Supposedly that's enough to get me through this video, because I'm going to cut this in with something that I just did a second ago. So let me try and figure out how to do this. Let me do some editing. So don't go away.